So welcome back, and let's get straight into my schedule. So if you're not already, first though, make sure you are subscribed. But all of my charts and things are made in Google Doc, and a lot of my schedule, like mostly the first half of the day. If you haven't seen my morning routine, you need to go watch that because it explains like the first 3 blocks that you see on my schedule. So the morning routine, I'm praying, I'm reading, listening to scripture on the Bible app. And then after that, I get into my study session. I'm adding a certification to my teaching certificate. So that is what that section is for. And then the morning house routine, just waking up the kids, cleaning up anything from yesterday, preparing dinner for later on, just getting out what I need if I need to defrost or anything. And then getting into distance learning. I'm a teacher, so I am online with students, answering questions, giving feedback, preparing lessons, giving lessons, a number of different things. And then brand building and lunch. I'm working on YouTube. I'm eating, giving Ava a nap if I have her that day. And then after that, we have a daily meeting, teachers to collaborate. Then I go into my afternoon walk, and then dinner and power clean later on. So that's pretty much my weekday schedule lately, as of the quarantine life. So now let's get to the kids, okay? Because this is where it's going to be helpful for you guys, their daily schedule. Okay. So I have a schedule, so it kind of puts the pressure off of me and onto them. I have it up so they can see it and they know what they need to be doing and what time they should be doing it. And I have made threats if they missed it. So the first part, she has an hour to get up, eat breakfast, and get started. She has to be online by 9, which she is, and she already had her breakfast in my room, just relaxed. And then later on in the day, after she's done some work, she has lunch, and then there's snacks, and then the pesky, I'm hungry. Their stomachs never stop growling, apparently. But this is what I do. I have a little cheap bin from the Dollar Tree. I put in the snacks that they love, 1 or 2 or I think 3 that they really love. Once they finish those snacks, that's all of the sweet stuff they can have. I have fruits and baskets and stuff that they can grab. They are free to take all the apples and oranges, grapes, strawberries they want. What's in the bin, once it's gone, that's it. If they don't have any more, that's not my problem. So I found that to be very helpful. And then also on the chart, you see that there's a chore of the day and then there's a cleanup. So they are helping me clean. So it is not all on me, since we know they make most of the messes. But then there's free time and just relaxed time built in, because we all need that. She is on TikTok. This is her favorite pastime. But the cleaning chart, the lash chart, I'll show you guys now, just kind of breaks down the areas and what they do. So I have 2 columns. I have a deep clean column, which will probably take them or me 20-25 minutes to do, and then the 15-minute quick clean. If you do it right and you're not wasting your time, about 15 minutes or so, and they have to complete 1 of those each day. That just takes pressure off me having to constantly clean, because we are all home making messes constantly, so we need to clean. And then the deep clean, I have it planned for us to do 1 deep clean about every 2 weeks. If everybody's doing an area, all the areas are pretty much getting deep cleaned every 2 weeks, but I didn't really exactly work that out. And I might throw in a little cleaning if I feel like it's really necessary. Like here, I felt like our walls and doors really needed it, so we took out our magic eraser. She got cleaning. But those are all of the charts and schedules that I use. I don't follow them to the T, but they are helpful. They put more responsibility on the kids. More info is on the blog. Thank you.